Hey, what's up guys, it's AJ, and today is episode 1 of the Triumph build. This is my personal 1978 Triumph Bonneville 750. I love this bike, it's a lot of fun to ride. It's definitely different than the Chopper, but it's lacking in a few places, and there's a few things that need attention no matter what. And it's enough for me to want to take apart the whole bike. And that's what we're gonna do. Episode 1, probably into episode 2, is going to be disassembly and inspection of everything. It's one thing I recommend to everybody is that as you're taking something apart, A, bag all your nuts and bolts and label them, and B, inspect parts as you're taking it apart so you can make a parts list, so that when you get to fixing something or trying to refit something, you're not buying parts then. So let's get started. I've got some things to do, I got some stuff to get out of the garage, and then we're going to start taking it apart. Let's get to it. Guys, I'm going to call it there for episode 1. We've got a lot accomplished. The only thing that I did off camera was I made a cradle out of square tubing for the engine and put the engine in. That's all I've done. Like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, because in episode 2 we're going to be taking apart the entire front end, inspecting everything, and ordering parts and stuff for putting this thing back into a roller, because in episode 2 we're also sending out the frame and the swing arm and brackets and stuff like that to powder coating. So this will be back on 2 wheels as soon as possible. So I hope you enjoyed. I had a blast making it, as I said, and I'll see you on the next episode.